Thank you for your purchase of Dash Toys Dora Baby Walker. This sturdy material walker comes with beautiful, bright colors. Please follow this instruction video carefully to assemble the product and know its amazing features. This exciting product is assembled by using these parts. You also need a screwdriver. Let's open the main body of the walker. The height can be adjusted up to 4 levels as required by pressing and sliding the metal clip beneath the walker. Next, fix all of the 8 sturdy base wheels at the bottom of the main body. Then attach the seat into the attachment slots, which can be easily removed for cleaning. Now insert 2 AA batteries in the multifunctional tray and connect it to the main body to activate the fun music and LED lights. And few finishing touches. And the walker is now ready for your baby. Dash Toy, Dash Ride, Kids Pride.